Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong April 2025. Ayan. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, let's see. Aquarius. Ang energy ng inyong kaperahan ngayong April for Aquarius. Butterfly. Ang ganda ng butterfly. Butterfly, it symbolizes transformation, metamorphosis, no? So, you are in the process of transition. May nagbabago sa'yo. It's like you are preparing yourself for a rebirth. Something new. Oo. So, yung iba, you're also trusting and surrendering sa mga changes na to. Maari kasing may ending. Ending of a career, ending of a business, ending of a project. And now you are in the process of going to a new direction, no? And seeing yourself change for the better. 'Di ba? Kasi yung butterfly, bago sila maging butterfly, sila muna ay caterpillar, 'di ba? At kumbaga medyo limited yung kakayanan nila. But now, no, you are in the process of upgrading yourself. So maaring yung iba sa inyo may promotion sa trabaho or mag-upgrade ka ng equipment mo kung ikaw ay self-employed or may business ka. You have ascendant. So this is about yourself. Yung iyong self-expression, or maari rin yung iba sa inyo, may babaguhin kayo sa inyong physical appearance. This can be a major glow up na magbibigay sa inyo ng mas malakas na natiwala sa inyong sarili, no? Mas magiging confident kayo. You are also going with the flow. Kumbaga, sumusunod ka kung saan ka dalhin ng pagbabago. You are, hindi mo kinokontra itong changes na to na nangyayari. So, let's see what else. Aquarius. Overall energy, possible challenge, opportunity, your blessing, and then energy ng money, ng career, at ng kung wala kang work, ito yung energy. Okay, bottom of the deck is the devil. Ooh. This is obsession or desire. Maaring meron kang desire for money. Yun nga lang, 'di ba, minsan pag masyado tayong gustong mas makakuha, no? Sabi nga naghangad ng kagitna, isang salop ang nawala, parang gano'n, no? So, sometimes we become greedy na, sige, halimbawa, work ka na ng work kasi gusto mo marami kang kitain. Pero minsan, ang katawan mo yung nagsasuffer. 'Di ba? Five of Swords. Very competitive ka. Kaya lang, para kasing may kinalaman na rin to sa ego mo, no? Na tipong, kaya ka competitive kasi you just want to boost your ego. So, yun yung kailangan mong i-watch out. And then, your overall energy, the Empress. This is a very positive energy for you ngayong April when it comes to your money. Kasi this is about abundance. So, you are embracing abundance. You are attracting abundance sa buhay mo. Maari ring magiging very creative ka, very productive kasi fertility rin yung energy nito. And then your challenge is the Ace of Cups. Merong new beginnings na medyo nagiging challenging for you, especially kung may bago kang trabaho, may bago kang business, so nagsisimula pa lang. Nandun ka sa adjustment period, no? So, lahat naman ng mga nagsisimula, medyo mahirap kasi ayan yung nangangapa ka pa, fina-familiarize mo pa yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon. But, yung pagkagusto mo dun, sa gusto mong gawin, Yun yung mamumutawi, 'di ba? Mm. And then your opportunities, the Seven of Wands, this is about setting boundaries. Minsan kasi masyado kang nagiging mapagbigay, to the point na naaabuso ka na ng ibang tao, no? So your opportunity now is to set boundaries, na learn how to say no. Halimbawa, may mangungutang sa'yo at alam mong baka hindi na maibalik yon, di sabi mo no. At kung may kakayanan kang tumulong, magbigay ka na lang, no? Nang kaya mong kaya ang any amount na kaya mong hindi mo na makuha, 'di ba? Ganun daw 'yon. And then your blessing is the Magician. So as a blessing, this is about a very powerful talent, a very powerful skill na magagamit mo to generate more income and to become successful in your field. Maaring malakas yung iyong manifestation skills ngayong April. And some of you, meron kang i-unlock dito eh. Meron kang ina-unlock na bagong abilities or kakayanan mo that will really stand out. Okay? And then, some money. Uy, oh my God, you have the Death card. This is transformation. So, yung iba sa inyo, Aquarius, may nagbabago pagdating sa pananaw nyo, pagdating sa pera. Maaring yung iba, may babaguhin kang habit. Let's say, unhealthy habit mo pagdating sa pera. Kung dati magastos ka, so ngayong April, iiwasan mong gumastos ng walang kapararakan. Oo. So, new beginnings din to. Maaring yung iba, magsa-start kayo ng mag-invest, or yung iba, meron kang ipupull out na investment para magsimula ng bago. So, transformational for you ang iyong finances ngayong April. And then, for your career, you have the Knight of Wands. Yeah, you're really going with the flow. I think you're very passionate pagdating sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, ano man tong pinagkakakitaan mo. Ang nangunguna kasi dito is hindi lang pera, no? Hindi, kumbaga secondary na lang siya. For you, ito, kaya mo siya ginagawa. Kasi masaya ka. Kasi yan yung passion mo. Kasi yan yung interest mo. Yung career mo or business mo. And then, dun sa mga walang work, you have the Eight of Pentacles. Maaring iba, meron kayong minamaster. Minamaster na abilities or minamaster na talento, no? You are preparing. I see someone prepare niya yung sarili niya for a new job. Let's say, meron kang gustong applyan na trabaho at meron tong requirements. So, yung requirements na yun yung inaayos mo. Yun yung wino-workout mo. Para sure ball na matatanggap ka pag ikaw ay nag-apply. Yung parang ano yun, halimbawa gusto mo maging welder, syempre, mag-aral ka muna ng welding. Diba? Slow and steady wins the race. Yan, no? I think meron ka talagang ginugrow dito, no? Parang nagtanim ka at unti-unti makikita mo yung progress. Ayan, you are very artistic. Marami kang talento, skill set. Especially in crafting something using your hands. Yung iba naman sa inyo, nasa mainstream, you are being seen by a lot of people. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, influencer or social media enthusiast or content creator. Some of you naman, merong upgrade, no? Pagdating sa career, pwedeng may promote. Or pagdating naman sa business, may pag-unlad sa negosyo mo. Smile, you will soon experience a wonderful journey of inner discovery. Ayan. So, you are finally discovering your new talents and skills. I think yan yung blessing nyo, no? Yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. Meron kayong ma-unlock. New growth and potential is on the horizon. Reach out and embrace it. May growth. May pag-unlad. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. Yes, with humility na alam mo, ito yung talento mo, yung kakayanan mo. But syempre, no, keep your feet on the ground. Ano pa rin? Humble. Be humble. Yan. Ito yung ina-unlock mo na opportunities. Yung pagiging master sa isang skill. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.